What about others? Disha is saying correct. Good. So it is like when an astrologer says you something 4 साल बाद आपके साथ ये होने वाला है, आप Mercedes खरीदने वाले हो, बंगला खरीदने वाले हो, so you start feeling confident from today itself, right? So that's what has happened with you now, I guess. I have told you 2025 तक ये चलने वाला है. So now you know हाँ चलो ये चलने वाला है तो let's be the way it is. You are not surprised. Correct. Good. Not to be hopeless. Great. So now, guys, what we are going to do is that as we have come across a lot of people, जब मैं और यशस्वी we talk to many of our candidates, so they say, अरे यार, I don't know what is going to happen in my life. I'm really feeling hopeless about my life. I'm not able to generate that kind of income which I really want to, or I'm not able to get my. I don't feel worthy about myself. I got lost from my job. मेरे को मेरे company में से boss ने निकाल दिया. I feel worthless and all. So what I'm going to do, guys, is that what worried about many innocent people. Absolutely, Shrikant, many people would be losing their life for no reason because of so-called scams which is happening. People have already lost their lives, guys. Hundreds and lakhs of people have already lost. This is just a start for this. It is going to be bad day on day. आगे जाके. I hope so. It doesn't be that bad. And I don't want to be proud of this कि after 2025 से तुम लोग को कि देखा मैंने तो बोला था ना ऐसा होगा करके. I don't want to get into that. All right, I have muted everyone. Thank you, Gauravji. So now, guys, since I assume every one of you have got this pen and paper with you, I want you to write 5 elements which you think will be, which you think you are hopeful about after this pandemic. Like suppose for me, if someone asks me what are the 5 elements or you think about, which you are hopeful about after this pandemic gets over. So I say once this pandemic gets over, the business is going to flourish like anything. The GDP of our country as whole or of our whole world as such is going to increase. Like there would be less of depression in the market. People won't be that depressed once the markets are open. There would be better environment, like people would be more cautious about the environment in which they are living right now. They will start treating Mother Earth with much more respect. So these are few of the things which I feel I am hopeful about in the next thing. In the these are the 5 things which I think I am hopeful about. So what you guys have to do is that you have to write about minimum 5 things what you are hopeful about when this pandemic gets over. Clear with this? If you are clear, just type in C. Disha is saying clear. 5 elements which I am hopeful after pandemic ends. Right, correct, Sarvani. You have to write 5 elements or 5 things, basically, Rima, which you would be happy about, which you are hopeful about. Ki, okay, once this pandemic gets over, these things should happen. Like suppose, as I told you, for me, I told you, if the pandemic gets over, I'm hopeful that the business will flourish a lot. Market will be booming to triple X or 10X times. There would be a huge market for life coaching business, since people would already been depressed. So coaches like me, Yashasvi, and thousands and lakhs of others would have good market to cater to. Or maybe there would be much more better environment wherein people can live in peacefully along with all the other living beings like animals, marine life, okay, whatever it is. So I want everyone to write 5 things which you are hopeful about after this pandemic gets over. Right? I will give you 3 minutes for this. We are on 21:47. By 21:50, we would be coming back on this. 3 minutes would be more than enough. If once you are done, guys, just type in done in the chat box.
Sorry, on the way people manage their health.
Right.
The pressure that everybody was going through a lot of stress even before the pandemic came. So that pressure is going to reduce for everybody. Okay, The way education is going to happen is going to change completely, even for school children.
Right.
Awareness is going to improve with respect to the environment.
Wonderful.
Take care of the environment. That is going to alter completely. The way people work will differ.
Wonderful.
In
Correct.
whichever sector you're going to work, the way they work is going to differ.
Right.
People learn good values.
Correct.
Which
So,
we were living in a very materialistic world.
absolutely.
Everything is going to alter and people are going to care for each other
Wonderful.
slowly.
So
That's
you're basically hopeful for all
things.
these things to happen in the next coming future, right?
Sorry?
You're hopeful for these things to happen in the next coming future.
Yes, and I'm actually seeing that happening.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing this. Yeah, Meenal, you have raised your hand. Your voice is cracking. We can't hear you.
Environment and people can move. It is mental peace.
Okay. I guess, Meenal, there's some network issue at your end. I guess, Meenal, there's network issue. We will come back to you again. Anyone else would like to do before we move ahead? All right. So as I told you, like there were people who used to tell me like, I don't know, I feel hopeless and all. There were also other kind of people who used to tell me I'm helpless kind of thing. Used to tell me मेरा जॉब छूट गया करके मेरे पास अभी पैसे नहीं आई फील हेल्पलेस व्हाट शुड आई डू इन माय लाइफ एंड ऑल ओके सो नाउ what I want you guys to do is that I want you to write 5 ways how you can be of help to others. 5 ऐसे तरीके लिखो जिससे तुम दूसरों को मदद कर पाओगे. It can be anything. 5 ways you can be. Just write down those 5 ways how you can be of help to others without being selfish into this or without being into the barter system कि हाँ मैं अगर रीमा के लिए ये करूँगा तो रीमा will give me free yoga session. No, that should not happen with me. You should do this without any kind of intentions or without any kind of barter system or without any kind of deals happening between you and the other person. How you can be helpful to that person. So I want you to write 5 things again. Absolutely. Yes, sir. Correct. उसमें मतलब नहीं होना चाहिए कि like suppose if I do something for XYZ person, that person will do something for me. It should not be that way. A selfless help जिसको बोलते हैं. Again, 1 more minute I will give you guys. Absolutely, Sheetal. Correct. The best thing you can do to someone. So I guess Disha is not here. Anyone would like to share? Someone, new person, Rhythm or Praveen or Praful. You guys are new or your first timers, you guys are.
I can, if you give me an opportunity, Sharad.
Yeah, please.
Okay. I have listed 9 things. One is healing people.
All right. So are you a healer?
Wanting to be one. I am kind of one.
Okay. All right.
Better one.
Wonderful.
Counseling and listening to people.
Good.
Counseling and sharing, whatever money I have with the needy.
All right.
Awareness to people in different aspects, health, wealth, whatever. Creating awareness.
Okay.
Teaching children.
Wow, wonderful.
teaching anybody of any age group with whatever I know. Gratitude classes, show people to teach people to show gratitude to whatever they have, no matter what it is. Share the food,
Good.
donate food, share food, planting trees, cleaning the environment. This is what
Wonderful.
I'm about it.
Superb. Nice, nice. Rhythm is saying to be kind to others and to myself, to share my knowledge with others as to heal them with numerological reading. Oh, you are a numerologist with it. Wonderful. All right. So you will give free readings to others. Right. Great. So I assume everyone has done with their second thing of being how you can be helpful to others. Now the third thing would be coming is like worthiness. People have been telling us that I feel so worthless that मेरे पास job नहीं है, मैं घर पे ऐसे बैठा हूँ, मेरे इसका खाने को पैसा नहीं है, I don't feel I'm worthy enough to live in this world because I've lost my job or XYZ, I don't have a career, I don't have a business and all. Now, what I want you to do, guys, is that I want you to write down I want you to think about one thing what you're worthy of. Now, since like Rhythm is a numerologist, I don't want Rhythm to write yeah, I can be a numerologist. I want you to think about one thing. It can be a skill or anything which you think you're really worthy of, that if you get into your profession or into your business or into your job, that will help you to add extra X amount of money in your life. Clear with me? Like suppose Rima is already a yoga teacher, so she can't say, yeah, I am a yoga teacher, so she should not add that. So maybe Rima can get into like coaching, or maybe Rima can, if she's a very good dancer, so what she can think about is that, yes, I can start teaching participants dance so that I can earn X amount of money out of that. Whatever it is, Swarupa, it's on you. What you are not doing right now, I want you to think about that one thing which you feel you're worthy about, and how much will be your current worth with that. Like how much money can you earn with that profession if you get into that practice. Clear, everyone, what I'm trying to say? Just type in C, because this is a little bit confusing for everyone mostly. All right, healing, great. Praveen is clear. One thing or skill I feel I'm worthy of is to earn something. Everyone is worthy of earning something. You're taking it wrong, Sarvani. I want you to know one skill of yourself which will make you earn that money. Okay, you need to identify that skill of yours which will help you to earn that money from which you have never earned money out of that. Suppose for me, I'm a very good mehndi designer, but then I used to only do it for my friends, like example I'm giving. Okay, so now maybe I can put it as a profession along with my hobby, wherein I can do mehndi designing for different events and all, and I can earn money out of it. Clear, everyone, with this what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
Great. And this, guys, think about it on a very serious note, because there's a reason I'm trying to tell you this. Meenal is saying healing and counseling. Hope so. This is not your current profession, Meenal. You are not into healing and counseling already. Want to make people fit and healthy through my knowledge. I guess, Praveen, you're already into that. So that cannot be the thing for you, Praveen. You need to change that. Since I know you personally, so you're already into fitness and all. So I want you to do something which you're not doing till now. या अभी तक कभी किया नहीं है वो.
Saurabh, can I say?
Yeah, please tell, sir.
I will practice occult sciences for well-being of human beings.
Sorry, you will practice what?
Occult sciences, whatever.
Okay, occult sciences. Okay, you have never done that till now, right?
No.
Okay, great. Yes, you can do that. Great, sir. If you have not earned any money through healing and coaching, then that's a nice thing for you. Skills through which I can earn money, which I didn't do. Yes, absolutely. You have to find out that skill of yours, which you have never done till now for professional thinking. Like suppose, as I just now told you, मैं अगर मेहंदी लगाता हूँ, I am a art मेहंदी designer, henna designer, and I keep on applying that to many friends and relatives of mine, but then I have never charged any money for that. But then I know if I go into the market and if I show my designs to anyone, and if I say I'm going to charge you 500,000, 1,500 per hand, and the person is going to give that money to me. So that's the thing I want you to write down. The thing which you have never done to earn any kind of money. And also I want you to write down what is the amount of money you would be earning out of that in the very initial stages. Like suppose if I start doing mehndi designing, I know I can earn 100 से लेके 500 rupees per hand के पीछे. That's what I can do basically. Wonderful, Swarupa. Graphology I can do, which I have not yet earned anything after learning. Superb, Minal. Having doing this from long time, as we already discussed, income from other sources. Yeah, that's what वही बोल रहा Praveen. You are already doing that. I don't want you to do this. I want you to do something else apart from this. If you start teaching, then 2K per person you would be earning. Superb. Guys, remember, money is not a concern. Even you can earn 10 rupees or 100 rupees out of it. So that the only thing why I'm telling you, I will come on that. But then you need to get into that. You need to think about what will help you earn that extra 10 rupees or 100 rupees. If you put in your worth of the skills, whatever you have. So Praveen, change your this gym ka thing and think about something else, what you can do, which you are not doing till now, जो आज तक किया नहीं. We need to market it. That's a secondary thing. We are not getting into marketing, promotions and all. Swarupa, don't get into that right now. I'm not telling you to start your business out of this right now. You're not into business coaching as of now. That is a different thing. Professional video editing. Good, Sarvani. So you have never done this and you have never earned any penny out of this. Good. What about others? Is everyone clear? Has everyone written this? Superb. You have started carpooling recently, Borivali to Thane. Superb. Great. Good. Okay. All right. So now since you did this exercise wherein you have put in the 3 things, wherein you have written about 5 elements which you are hopeful about, which will change after this pandemic, how you can be of help to others, how you can be helpful to others. And the third is what kind of worth of yours is, how worthy you are. Correct? So whenever guys, the reason I made you do this exercise is very simple, because as I told you, every one of us at some point of time, we always feel ourselves that we are not, I don't know what's going to happen with me. I'm not hopeful about my life. I'm not worthy about my life. I'm not helpful about my life. So कल को जाके आपको कभी भी लगे कि you are not hopeful, you are not helpful to others, or you are not worthy about yourself, you need to do this very small exercise for yourself, and this will bring a ray of hope for you, a ray of worthiness into you, which will help you to get out of this. Even if you have your friends or relatives or anyone near you who says to you and say, अरे गौरव पता है क्या, I don't feel worthy यार, मेरा job चले गया, and I don't know how I will feed my kids, I don't know how I'm going to do this and all. So what you can do is that you can just give them this small exercise which will boost their all what we say, उनको एक जोश दिलाएगा ये चीज करके. It will change their mindset. How many of you feel different after doing this exercise? Somewhat different in your mentality. There's a shift into your mentality. Just type in shift if you feel so.
Yes.
Great. So I assume everyone has been saying over here like they have felt a shift in their mentality from exactly what it was earlier. Now, the second task, what I want you guys to do is since we are going to meet on every week on week basis, the task which you have done, the last thing which you are worthy of, okay, whatever you have written, like Praveen is saying I'm doing carpooling, Swarupa is saying I will do this, Rhythm is saying I will get into numerology or video editing or whatever it is, I want you to earn your first $1 or $10 out of it in the next 1 week. How many of you can commit to me with this that yes, I will do that?
Yes.
Just say committed in the chat box. I'm getting it recorded over here, guys. After 1 week, I will show you. See, you have told me this. Swarupa is saying committed.
Committed.
Vasim, Praveen is saying committed. Always. Rhythm is saying committed. Rima is saying committed. What about others, guys? I want everyone to be committed. I try to see opportunities, Sarvan is saying. Meenal is saying not committed. Any amount, it can be even 10 rupees, Swarupa, it doesn't matter. As I told you, we are not here in the race कि मैं 1000 कमाया तो तूने 10,000 कमाया करके. I shall try. There's nothing called as trying, Maheshwari ji. Either you are pregnant or either you are not pregnant. You can't be in between. So either you are over here or either you are over there. No, tomorrow we are not meeting, Swarupa. Priya is also saying I will try. All right. So the guys, I'm not going to force over here. As I told you, I'm not your teacher over here. I'm your coach over here. I can only tell you to do things. I'm not a teacher with a cane over here कि ये क्यों नहीं किया और वो क्यों किया करके. So those guys who have all committed to me that you are going to earn that extra amount of money in the next 1 week, what you have to do is that the moment you earn that kind of money through whatever sources, you have to just put it in the WhatsApp group so that others feel motivated to do that. And the reason why I'm telling you guys to do that is that because in today's world, we are living in such an uncertain world wherein we need that extra income always in our hand. You can't just rely on your one job or your one business or your one profession at all today. And you all have experienced it. This is not something which I'm telling you for the first time. Correct? So give it a try, guys. There's nothing harm in giving a try. Most of us, we don't try only, and that is the reason we don't succeed in our life. Until unless you don't fail in your life, you will never know what is wrong and what is right in your life and what will take you to the what level. So you need to understand, तुमको पानी में कूदना पड़ेगा जब तक तुम अपने आप को अगर तैरना चाहते हो तो you need to get into that. I will try winning or losing them. There's nothing called as winning or there's nothing called as losing in this. Don't take it as a competition, guys. कि स्वरूपा ने अभी 1000 रुपया कमाया तो I somehow have Rima will say I somehow have to earn 1200 rupees to show off. Swarupa, no, we are not into competitions over here, and I don't like such kind of competitions. So you have to earn whatever is willingly you're getting it. You don't have to put much efforts also. I'm not telling कि आप आपका current profession को छोड़ दो and आप ये काम को करो. No, I'm not telling you to do that. You just have to do it as and when your time permits for you so that you can earn that extra 100 rupees, 200, 500, 1000, 2000, 5000, whatever your worth is according to that. And I want you guys to come back in the next 5, 6, 7 days and tell me exactly what you have earned. Clear, guys, everyone? Just type in clear. Great. So any doubts anyone has got? Yeah, Praveen, ask me. Sure. You can raise your hands, Praveen. You don't need to take permission over here. सीधा पूछ लेने का. Ask fast, Praveen. 5 minutes are remaining, then we have to join in again once again. I see. Are you there, Praveen? Swarupa wants to ask. Yes, Swarupa, you can ask in the meantime.
I didn't raise my hand. I raised my hand long back.
Oh, okay. I saw it now. No, Praveen, you can't put that. You are already into that business of used car. I know that you are into that business of used car, so you can't put that. I want you to earn money जो आज तक कभी कुछ किया नहीं है वो करके.
Our question is not about this. It's about, are we joining back, or is this the end of session?
No, we are joining back. There would be one meditation. That's the last thing of this session for today. And that's only going to be 10-15 minutes meditation. Then we will be winding off.
Okay.
Anyone got any questions? Anyone wants to say something before we wind up the second session? Let's go to the next session. All right. So guys, we will end of this session. Once again, we will join in. Extremely sleepy. Let's complete fast. Yeah, even we want to end it off. So it's only 10 minutes or more. It would be there. So those who want, you can join in back again. We would be doing one small meditation, and we will take it further. Wow. See, Sheetal has already started. Great. So guys, if you want to get your numerology done, you can just ping her. Sheetal, just send in hi to her, hi to them. And you can take 11 rupees. 5 rupees is too short. 5 रुपए में सिर्फ पार्ले आता है. Take 11 rupees, auspicious, 11 angel number. In the WhatsApp group, you can just type. GPay चलेगा, yes, GPay चलेगा guys. GPay, Paytm, ATM कुछ भी चलेगा. That 11 rupees needs to come in our account. Guys, support each other, guys. ठीक है, तो चलो let's get back to the session fast, guys. Bye.